Let me ask you a question. Have you ever met a guy who just walks into a room and instantly catches everyone's attention, especially women? You know, the one who doesn't need to show off, doesn't need the latest car or the biggest bank account, but somehow seems to have women drawn to him like magnets. Ever wondered how he does it? It's not a trick, and it's not some magic formula. The truth? It's all about one thing that 98% of men are overlooking. And once you unlock it, you'll realize why women are absolutely obsessed with him. Ready for this game-changing secret? Stick with me, because it's about to change everything. 1. Confidence isn't just about looks. Let me be clear, confidence is key, but not the kind you see in movies. It's not about acting like you're the hottest guy in the room. It's about being comfortable with who you are and where you're headed in life. Think about it this way. When you walk into a room, people can instantly feel your energy. If you're unsure of yourself, people pick up on that. But when you're sure of yourself, when you're focused on what you're building and where you're going, that energy is magnetic. And this isn't about arrogance. Confidence is quiet. It's not the loudest guy in the room, but the one who knows his worth without saying a word. 2. The power of playfulness. Here's a fun one. Playfulness. Women love a man who can make them laugh and doesn't take life too seriously. Being playful doesn't mean being immature or childish. It means being able to joke around, tease a little, and keep things light-hearted. The key is balance. Don't be too stiff or serious all the time, and don't be a clown either. A man who can make her laugh, smile, and feel relaxed in your presence is incredibly attractive. Playfulness keeps the energy fun and exciting, and it keeps her coming back for more. 3. Show genuine interest in her. This isn't about asking a ton of questions just to get her to like you. Women can tell when you're only listening to try and impress them. The real secret is to actually care about what she's saying. Instead of focusing on yourself, focus on her. What are her dreams? What makes her laugh? What are her passions? When you genuinely take an interest in her life, it goes beyond surface-level attraction. It builds a deep emotional connection. And that's the type of bond that makes her want more of you. 4. Be supportive of her dreams and goals. One of the fastest ways to make a woman think about you nonstop is by genuinely supporting her dreams and goals. Be the person who encourages her to chase her passions and shows up as her biggest cheerleader. Here's the truth. Women want a partner who believes in them, especially when they're feeling doubtful. When you see her potential and remind her of it, you're doing more than offering support. You're becoming someone she feels she needs in her life. Whether it's a big career move, a creative project, or a personal ambition, being her rock makes you unforgettable. Your belief in her growth inspires her to keep pushing forward, and she'll want you right there with her. That's how you create a connection that keeps her thinking about you day and night. 5. Surprise them with small acts of thoughtfulness. Big romantic gestures are great, but the little things are where real magic happens. Thoughtfulness shows you're paying attention and makes your partner feel truly special. Here's an idea. Let's say your partner mentions craving a specific snack or talking about a childhood favorite candy. Imagine the impact when you surprise them with it the next day. These tiny acts show, I see you, I hear you, and I care. Thoughtfulness creates emotional intimacy, and intimacy keeps your partner thinking about you long after you're apart. 6. Create an air of mystery. Now, we're not talking about playing games here. What we're talking about is maintaining a bit of mystery. When you share too much too soon, things can get stale quickly. The key is to be a bit unpredictable. Don't let her know everything about you all at once. Share pieces of your life slowly over time. This keeps her intrigued. Imagine this. You're talking about your favorite childhood memory, and you pause before revealing the whole story. She'll want to know more. What happens next? What's the rest of your story? The curiosity alone will keep her coming back for more. A little mystery can go a long way in making her obsessed with you. Lastly, make her feel seen and heard. Every woman wants someone who truly listens. I mean really listens, not just nodding while you plan what to say next, but being fully present, soaking in her words, thoughts, and feelings. When she feels understood on a deep level, a stronger connection forms naturally. She'll feel validated, respected, and yes, she'll become deeply drawn to the way you make her feel. Picture this. She's sharing her day and you're engaged, asking thoughtful questions and showing real empathy. That creates a bond most people miss. And trust me, that bond is powerful. So, be the guy who listens with genuine interest and watch your connection grow. And there you have it, 7 powerful ways to make your partner obsessed with you. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more tips to level up your love life. Thanks for watching.